Hello second class students, my name is Jagpreet Kaur and I am your moral science teacher. Today we will read a beautiful chapter that is social responsibility from your moral science book, chapter number 8. So, the name of the chapter is social responsibility. First, what is society? Society, when people live in a specific area together, that is called society. And what is responsibility? Responsibilities are some duties. Responsibilities are some duties. So, what is the meaning of the chapter? Social responsibility means there are some social duties that we have to follow when we live in a society. So, we all live together in a society. So, there are many people that live together. Imagine, can you live without a society where there is no teacher to teach, no friends to play? We can't. We can't. So, society is very important. In short, we will be happy only if we live in a society. So, I can do many things for my society. So, which are the responsibilities that we have to follow? First is, keep your surrounding clean. Use dustbin. Use dustbin to put garbage or anything litter. Don't throw anything here and there. Always use dustbin to keep our surrounding clean. So, it is our responsibility to keep our surrounding clean. Next is, protect the nature. Grow more and more trees. Don't cut trees. Save trees. So, this is our next social responsibility to keep our nature protected and clean. So, grow more and more trees. Don't cut them. Next is, make other happy. Try to make other person happy by doing little things. When someone does something for me, for us, try to say thank you. Or if we commit any mistake or anything wrong, try to say sorry. Next is, help the poor people. If you find any person poor or any person that need food or money, clothes, try to give them some money, also food and clothes. Assist the old. Assist the old means if you find any person that is old and unable to cross the road, then it is our responsibility to help that old person while crossing the road. This much is here in the chapter. But nowadays there is another social responsibility, that is safety against coronavirus. As we know that coronavirus is already spread all over the worldwide. So, there are some social responsibilities. Always use sanitizer, alcoholic sanitizer. Wash your hands frequently with sanitizers. Always wear mask to cover your nose area, your mouth area. I am going to remove this because I have to speak. If you have gloves, then cover your hands with gloves while touching anything. Use paper tissue while coughing, sneezing, and then throw it in the dustbin. Don't spit on the open area and avoid to go unnecessary anywhere or in the market. Make 6 feet social distance. So, these are our social responsibilities nowadays. Then there are some question answers. What happens if we do not live in a society? Answer will be, as you know, there are no teachers to teach and no friend to play. How do we live together? We all live together in a society. When will a person be really happy? When we will really live in a peaceful society? There are true false. Everybody wants to live alone. That is wrong. We know life in a society is boring. No, life in a society is not boring, it is very happy and cheerful. C, helping the poor is our responsibility. Yes, it is true, because we already have read in the chapter. Now, third is filling the blanks. We all live together in a dash. We all live together in a society. Number B, I can keep the surrounding dash. I can keep the surrounding clean. That we already learned in the chapter. I can dash the nature. I can protect the nature. Thank you.